Hey, future entrepreneurs, are you tired of feeling stuck? Tired of the same old routine, the endless commute, and the dream of financial freedom that just seems to get further away? What if I told you that in the next few minutes you are going to discover not one but six legitimate business ideas you can literally start today? Not next month, not next week, but today. No huge capital, no fancy degrees, just pure opportunity. If you are ready to, stop dreaming and start doing, stick around because your journey to the financial independence begins right now. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host CK, and my mission is to help you unlock your entrepreneurial potential. We all have ideas, right? But the biggest hurdle is often just starting. We think we need a huge loan, an elaborate business plan, or years of experience. That's simple, not true anymore. Simply because today's digital tools are evolving the market itself. Today we are cutting through the noise, and I've handpicked six businesses that meet the few crucial criteria. Number one is the low barrier to entry, and the idea should not have tons of money requirement and any specialized equipment, etc. Second is the immediate start potential. You can literally begin work or set up today. And third, most important, is the real income potential. These aren't just the hobbies, they are genuinely ideas that can make you money. And here is a promise: if you watch to the end, I will give you a bonus tip that will drastically increase your chances of success with any of these ideas. All right, ready? Let's dive in. And if you're excited, hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel. All right, our first business idea is becoming a freelance social media manager. Think about it. Every small business, every local shop, every budding entrepreneur needs a strong online presence. But most of them are too busy running their actual businesses to manage their Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. That is where you come in. Business ideas, number two is the online tutoring or coaching. What are you expert in? It does have to be calculus, or it can be calculus. Maybe you are amazing at learning new languages, mastering software programs, playing musical instruments, fitness, public speaking, or just organizing a home office. People pay good money to learn from others. Next is the beauty of this is that you are selling your time and knowledge, which are incredibly valuable assets. You are making a direct impact on someone's life, and that is incredibly rewarding. And let's move to the third business idea. The third business idea focus on the local services. We often overlook the massive demand right in our neighborhoods. Think about professional cleaning, handyman services, lawn care, pet sitting, or even organizing homes. These are evergreen needs, and the need will never fade away. This business thrives on trust and reliability. Show up on time, do great work, and you will quickly have more clients than you can handle, allowing you to hire help and scale up. The business idea number four takes us online, which is e-commerce, specifically dropshipping or print on demand business, the beauty business, etc. You don't hold any inventory. This drastically reduces your risk and allow you to start selling today. This business scales incredibly well. Once you find the winning product, you can automate much of the process, allowing you to focus on marketing and expanding your product line. Our fifth business idea is the freelance writing or copywriting. If you have a decent grasp of language and enjoy putting words together, businesses are desperate for your skills. Every website, every blog, email, product description, and advertisement needs words that converts. Finally, our sixth business idea, and the one that many of you are already engaging with, is the YouTube automation, specifically through faceless channels. This means creating a YouTube channel where you don't show your face but still generate valuable content. Think animated explainers, compilation videos, meditation guides, niche facts, or even narrated top 10 lists. The key here is consistency and finding a niche with high demand. While automation implies hands off, your initial effort in setup and optimization is crucial. This can become a significant source of passive income. So, we have covered six incredible businesses that you can start today. But here's the bonus tip that I promised, and that is the most important one, and that is just start. The biggest killer of the dream is the perfectionism and overthinking. You don't need to have everything figured out. Pick one of these ideas that excites you, spend the next few hours setting up the bare minimum, get your first offerings out there. Your first attempt won't be perfect, but that's okay. Learn, adapt, and keep going. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Which of these ideas resonate most with you? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your entrepreneurial journey and maybe cover it on our channel as well. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a kickstart, and subscribe to the channel for more actionable business and finance content. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out our next video. Thanks for joining me live. Thanks for watching. Remember, the only difference between dream and goal is the deadline and action. Go out there and start making it happen today. And I will see you again in the next one.